Okay, so I cannot believe that we rolled our new side-by-side. Ridiculous. I mean, who does that? How awesome it is. Oh, I'm not talking about the Can-Am. The Can-Am's fine. I'm actually talking about the Razor, and I'm talking about the incident that occurred back in 2015. You know, the big rollover of 2015. I'm sure you caught that.
You alright? You alright?
Yep. And I didn't even drop my phone. And I got it on video. Okay, so we actually posted the video, the unedited footage, a long time ago, back in 2015 when the rollover first took place with our brand new Razor. But the anniversary is coming up. It was Valentine's Day of 2015, and we're in like countdown to Dumont mode right now, so. Yep, and I didn't even drop my phone. This video is actually, the unedited video has actually been a part of 2 separate compilations. There will be links below, Motovids and Chaos Riders. Thank you guys. Links below to those channels, so check them out. They have a bunch of cool stuff. All right, I'm gonna tell you the truth. The real reason for this video, we gave Danny and Peggy like such a hard time about that Pismo rollover in the Can-Am that recently took place. I'm sure that's, you know, there's one of those videos. Just, I'll put a link to that video too. And really not Peggy so much, Danny, really, because he was the one driving. I mean, what did Peggy have to do with it? But we wanted to just show, like, here's our rollover, guys. Like, it happens. We were kidding. It's not a big deal. Everybody rolls their stuff. I mean, ours was a Razor, which sits pretty high, and, you know, wasn't a Can-Am, which is pretty planted, but, you know, same. No big deal. So.
A little more. A little more. Stop. You alright?
Yep. And I didn't even drop my phone. How awesome